Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is a really fast update video, and I'm still asking the question, how come the big difference in these plants? So this is day 11 for the cantaloupe seeds, and you can see how well these have started off versus these ones here. If I lift these up, you can kind of see how slow these are. This one here is extremely slow. It's amazing. I just don't understand it. But what I noticed this morning, we have growth here. We have roots that are coming out, these little pods, and I'm really surprised that there's that much activity on these tiny little seedlings. So there we go. So that's that. There's another one. You can kind of see there's a little bit coming out of that one. And I have been watering these. That one there doesn't have any. There's another one right there. So it could be because they are housebound that they're not progressing as quickly as these ones. So that's it for today's really fast video. Today is March the 20th. We still have snow outside, so I hope I really didn't plant these too early. Hopefully in the next week or two, I'm going to have temperatures that are mild enough where I can actually take these plants out and really get them into some really nice sunlight. Anyway, really fast video. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.